Welcome to the University of Utah Orthopedic Center. We are thrilled to be your choice for your upcoming joint replacement surgery. We pride ourselves on providing innovative and high-quality care, and a diverse team of skilled and compassionate providers will be supporting you throughout your joint replacement process. You're a member of this team too, and we want to ensure you feel totally prepared for your surgery. This video series will walk you and your friends and family through every step of the joint replacement process, preparing your home beforehand, what to expect during your hospital stay, and how to plan for your return home and your recovery.
I wanted to make sure the choice that I would make would be the right one for me. So I looked at two different sites, and the University of Utah was the site that I did choose. The teamwork really carried a big message for me. I could tell that the people worked together very well, that they were the kind of people who would back each other up, that there was good vibes, good quality communications between the team members. I really liked that.
The positive experience was just the eventual outcome as far as I'm concerned. I knew there would be a significant amount of therapy necessary in order to get back all the mobility that I had before. Oh, I'm able to do many things I wasn't able to do before. I was getting very hesitant to even get in and out of my boat. And I'm not hesitant to do anything like that anymore.
All the doctors and nurses at the hospital, from the time I was first seen for my problem to the aftercare in the hospital room, were absolutely incredible. Cared for me every minute. Just about everything in my life has changed because I am able to walk pain-free again. I am incredible. I'm 6 weeks out of surgery. I don't limp. The pain is gone. It has been an outstanding experience.
Feel free to take notes while you watch these videos. Any remaining questions can always be addressed during a Joint Academy classroom session or over the phone with a member of our joint team. You are the most important member of your care team, and we're looking forward to providing you with the best possible care during your joint replacement experience here at the University of Utah.